Hey everyone, welcome back to Car Review Today. Today, we're getting a glimpse into the future of luxury trucks with the mind-blowing redesigned 2025 Porsche luxury pickup truck concept. Buckle up, because this isn't your average pickup. First things first, let's talk about that head-turning design. Porsche went all out with a stunning black metallic paint job that screams sophistication. But it's not just a one-tone show. Sharp, high-gloss black accents pepper the truck, highlighting the grille, windows, and even the door handles. This concept is all about a modern and futuristic vibe. Think sharp angles, clean lines, and a sculpted body that looks like it could slice through the wind. And let's not forget the stance. This truck sits wide and low, with a confident, aggressive presence on the road. But don't let the aggressive looks fool you. Porsche hasn't forgotten about functionality. Up front, we have these massive round headlights with futuristic LED tech. They'll light up the night and turn heads in equal measure. For that touch of elegance, Porsche throws in some chrome door handles. They might seem like a small detail, but they add a nice contrast to the blacked out exterior. Speaking of blacked out, check out these wheels. Those are some seriously awesome, glossy black multi-spoke rims that fill the wheel arches perfectly. They scream performance and perfectly complement the truck's overall look. Now, let's talk about a unique touch, the matte orange roof rack. This adds a pop of color and functionality. It injects some personality while providing a platform for all your outdoor gear. This redesigned Porsche luxury pickup truck concept is a true head-turner. The black metallic exterior with black accents is a match made in heaven, and the wide, aggressive stance demands attention. But it's not just about looks. The modern, futuristic design with those crazy headlights keeps Porsche ahead of the curve. And the matte orange roof rack adds a touch of fun to this undeniably practical truck. This concept is a perfect blend of luxury, sportiness, and functionality. It has the potential to redefine the luxury pickup truck segment, offering a vehicle that's as capable as it is stylish. The 2025 Porsche luxury pickup truck concept might just be the future of luxury trucks, and let's be honest, it looks incredible. What do you guys think of this futuristic Porsche concept? Would you rock a truck this bold? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Car Review Today for more awesome car content. We'll see you next time.